and welcome to my new video. This video is a collab with Megan from Fit and Fun with Coach Megan, so definitely check out her awesome channel. It will be linked in the description down below. She's a gymnastics teacher, she's amazing. I learned so much from her and I'm sure you guys will too. So check out her channel. Also, we did a collab on Megan's channel where we talk about injuries, we talk about how to prevent injuries, we show you guys some stretches, so definitely check it out because you don't want to get injured while doing gymnastics or dance or anything else. The link also will be down below. And today in this video we're gonna show you 10 skills that you should start gymnastics with. Of course, you don't have to do exactly those skills, you can do less or more or different skills, but we think that these things will be very beneficial for you at the beginning. And then a lot of harder exercises are based on the things we're gonna show you today, so make sure you know them before you start doing some advanced stuff. And also another thing, in the description of this video I'm gonna put links to the tutorials of the skills we're gonna show you guys today, because today we're not gonna be teaching you the skills, we're gonna just show them to you, and then you can check out the tutorials in the description box down below. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first skill that you should start working on at the beginning is definitely a split, or 2 splits or 3 splits. It's best to have all 3, but just start with one leg. We'll always stretch both legs at the same time, but you know, one leg is always better and it will always come faster. And when you have your split, it's so much easier to do so many other skills, so definitely make sure you're working on it. The second skill that you should totally be able to do is a front roll. So just like this. This skill is not very difficult, so pretty much everyone can learn how to do it, and it will help you in so many other things as well. And now the third skill, back roll. Skill number 4 is a cartwheel. Cartwheel is definitely so important, and then when you get better you can do one-handed cartwheel and then you can try to do an aerial. And the last skill will be a headstand. So these were my 5 skills, and now Megan is gonna show you her 5 skills.
Hello! I am Coach Megan, everyone, of Fit and Fun with Coach Megan. I am so happy to be here. You have no idea. Thank you so much to Maria for having me here and doing our collaboration. Hip hip hooray! And by the way, Maria is awesome. She is a very talented gymnast and dancer. She's very creative and she's funny too. So here's your next 5 tricks for your beginner gymnastics. We'll start with a handstand, my favorite. Okay, so here it is. The back leg up, touch, and lunge. Now you can start with a lever into it, nice and slow. Look for the hands, little hop, and lunge. And you can also do it up the wall like this to begin with, before you go for the super duper all the way up. Pretend like there's part of the wall here, but it's not here, so yeah, pretend, and you just hold and squeeze. Next trick, a back bend. Lay flat, push up, and come down, tucking that chin. And our next gymnastic skill is a fun one. It's a pullover on the bars. It's a great beginner skill and it'll get you strong. See? Now doesn't that look like fun? And our next trick is a candlestick. Toes up, squeeze your body. And to make it easy, you can start with your hands here at first. You can do here, or you can have your arms here. Whatever floats your boat. And our final trick is a split leap. Because believe it or not, dance dance is part of gymnastics, especially all our leapy doodles and stuff, leaps and jumps. There you have it. Leap your way silly. Okay, so there are your tricks. It was so nice to meet you, and I hope to see you on my channel so we can make all of your gymnastics dreams come true. Alrighty, take care, and thanks again to Maria, and have a super day.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. Definitely check out Megan's channel. Thank you, Megan, for collabing with me. And also, guys, make sure you check out our collab on Megan's channel where we talk about injuries. Subscribe to both of us down below and see you next time. Bye!